মধুর চাঁদিনী সে যদি গো কাছে আসিত এমন জামিনী মধুর চাঁদিনী
shout like anything. I like the one place is very good. Jane. You know,
আকুল প্রিয়াশা সে কাছে আসিয়া সে যদি গো ভালোবাসিত এমন জামিনী মধুর চাঁদিনী সে যদি গো
Adda is nothing but interaction of mind. I still like to join Adda. Calcutta, the city of revolution.
First event was a walk which you guys came for. This is the second one. The objective of the event was to discuss some ideas that all these young artists who came today had, so that they would be a little more open to the idea of what is site-specific work.
To have that kind of performance, you could also have what Babu used to do inside the first floor of the Academy of Fine Arts, which now no longer is used for performance, or other rooms, literally rooms, not halls, wherever he found them, wherever someone or the other was philanthropic enough to say that, Babu, just take this place. It doesn't matter. This is not a commercial transaction. Just perform over there.
People have to know what is possible. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm a dancer, but how do I now dance in a place of heritage? How? For most young people, they're not sure. So they need to see it. Once they see, then they get exposed to some more ideas which then they...
Each room will offer you a different experience. And you can stay in each room for as long as you like. You can wander around the balcony, you can do whatever you like. And at the end, everyone is brought back to the courtyard once again for the last 20 minutes of work. That was the structure.
It was fantastic, especially that site-specific performance thing. It was something unique. I had never really thought about it.
You have to go to the back side. So without one if you particularly leave anything, no, I don't want to know the past. So you cannot know. You have no knowledge about the future. Future based on that.
Every old building in the city has its history, and some, by the way, have pretty horrible, tragic histories too.
I want to share its uniqueness with the rest of the world, and I think for that, to start doing that, I think this project is a fantastic first step.
A meeting here with Jharel Lonthon and things you don't really get to see always. So, and I being a North Calcuttan, so I would always have that, feeling of deja vu and that nostalgia.
পথের ধারে দাঁড়িয়ে কালা আর যাব না জলানিতে পথের ধারে দাঁড়িয়ে কালা